By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what you need to do in your next Instagram reel in order to go viral on Instagram Reels. I don't care if you've made 100 reels before and failed every single time. All you have to do is change the 3 things that I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video, and it is going to make a massive difference in both the amount of views and the amount of followers that you're gaining right now from Instagram Reels. Simply, being successful on Instagram Reels comes down to doing 3 things right. 1, how long your posts are. 2, what you're actually posting about. And then 3rd, one secret hack that I'm gonna share with you later on in this video to ensure that your next Instagram Reel goes viral. In fact, this creator implemented this in my mentorship program and in 30 days gained over 50,000 followers. This creator over 200,000 followers, and this creator over 1 million followers. If you want results just like that, you need to make sure that you're implementing these 3 simple steps. And trust me, these people are absolutely no different than you. They're not better looking, they're not better at creating content, they're not geniuses. They just simply implemented the 3 things that I'm about to share with you. And that's gonna start with how long your actual posts are. Right now, way too many creators on Instagram Reels are not intentional about how long their posts are. They make them 15 seconds long or make them 60 seconds long just because they can, and those aren't the best lengths for posts on Instagram Reels. Now, this does work for some niches, but for 99% of you guys, you're gonna be way better off by creating posts that are 5 to 13 seconds long, 18 to 21 seconds long, and then 27 to 31 seconds long. Those are the 3 best lengths when it comes to actually creating content on Instagram Reels. The reason being, the #1 factor that goes into Instagram Reels right now, and whether or not you're gonna go viral, whether or not you're gonna be successful, you're gonna hit the Explore page, you're gonna hit the Reels feed, is going to be how much watch time you're actually getting on your post. I'm gonna share with you later on in this video how to guarantee that you get 100% watch time every single time that you post so that your post actually goes viral, because if you're not getting 100% watch time, or even more than 100% watch time, it's going to be the reason that your posts aren't going viral. But before I can share that with you, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quick on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, I literally upload a video about how to go on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free Instagram growth course. You get the link in the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you the best hashtags and the best time to post on Instagram right now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these things. Now, you also need to make sure that you're actually creating the right content on Instagram Reels. If you're not creating the right content, you're simply not going to grow. And what does that mean? That means your content needs a hook in it. There are essentially 2 ways to do a hook. 1, you're gonna be teaching somebody how to do something, or 2, you're gonna invoke curiosity. And best of all, if you can merge those 2 things and do both of them, you're gonna see more success than you could have ever imagined on Instagram Reels. Let me give you an example. This creator right here, I helped in my mentorship program gain over 80,000 followers on Instagram in the fashion and beauty niche. If we look at their latest post, they did these 2 things right. 1, they basically told you in the beginning, in the first 3 seconds, that she is going to be showing you how Billie Eilish dresses. Why does she do this? 1, because Billie Eilish is incredibly famous. 2, because it hooks somebody in, makes them curious, and makes them want to watch the rest of the video. She was able to do this, and this ultimately expanded her audience and got her a ton more followers. You want to know why? 1, because she tapped into people that are interested in Billie Eilish, and 2, because even people that are just into creating content or creating fashion content, they're then going to want to watch that video. By merging those 2 things, she was able to get a good amount of views, and ultimately this helped her grow her Instagram account more. And you can implement these same tactics into your content no matter what niche you're in. Another example of this is how Limitless Culture Group was able to do this within the credit card, finance, and credit niche. They were able to do this by talking about the American Express Platinum card. Now, of course, this is an incredibly popular card. Everybody in business wants this card. Influencers want this card. Honestly, anybody with a credit card wants this card. So what does he do? He makes content about that card. He borrows something that a lot of people want. You don't have to just be trend jacking by taking advantage of somebody that's famous. You can also do it by taking advantage of something that's popular, and that's exactly what he did in this example. And you could do the same thing within your niche. But just using the right hook and creating content that's the right length, that is not enough. In fact, the most important thing when it comes to actually growing on Instagram is making sure that you're hopping on both the broad trends on Instagram and your niche specific trends. If you're not creating trending content on Instagram Reels, it's going to be the reason that you're not going viral. In fact, the easiest way for small creators to go viral right now is by actually hopping on these trends, and there's 4 ways that you can do it. The first way is by reposting something that has worked well for somebody else. Baseball Lifestyle is a brand that I work with. They literally make millions of dollars a year by creating content and reposting other people's content that has been successful in this niche. What they do, they find a piece of content that did really well, they repost that piece of content on their feed as a reel, and guess what? They give the original creator credit, and the original creator doesn't get mad. You want to know why? Because a lot of times their posts actually get more views, and it just gets more exposure for the original creator. Also, what it does, it trains the Baseball Lifestyle content team to know know, oh, this is going to work. A hook like this works. Videos that are this length work. Videos of this style work. And then what are they able to do? They don't only have to repost other people's content. They can create original content, create their own content that then looks like that. But this is something that so many of you guys are missing out on. Meme accounts blew up in Instagram 1.0. Now we're in Instagram 2.0 where Reels are the most important thing. If you think Instagram is still just a photo sharing app, then you have no idea what's going on. Instagram is now a short video app and you need to be taking advantage of Reels because trust me, this organic reach is not going to last forever. You could grow on Instagram right now, but 6 months ago, you weren't able to. A year ago, you weren't able to. 3 years ago, you weren't able to. It's easier to grow on Instagram right now than it ever has been before. Literally, it's easier to grow right now than when you first got on Instagram 10 years ago. And the reason is because of Reels. But like I said, you need to be implementing the 3 other things that we're about to get into, which are how to hop on a niche specific trends and broad trends. And this leads me to taking advantage of things that have already done well on your account. This is a huge mistake that I see so many creators make. They'll post something that does well, be it a topic, be it a hook, be it a certain trend, and then they never do it ever again. When something works for you on Instagram Reels, you need to do it over and over and over again. No, your audience, your followers, they're not gonna get tired of it. You wanna know why? Because you're not gonna be reaching the people that follow you. You're gonna be reaching brand new people, especially if you're able to tap into a topic or tap into a post style that works and you can continue to do that. This is going to decrease the amount of time that you spend creating Instagram content. So many content creators say that they spend way too much time creating content. Keep doing the same posts over and over again, of course. Make little changes, change the topic a little bit. Like Tuvok12 literally gained over 200,000 followers in my mentorship program. Look at his Reels. He does almost the same thing every single time. It's the same type of post, but he changes it a little bit and there's different people in it. But he knows when he posts that the posts are going to get at least 100,000 views or more because the post works on Instagram. Stop making this harder than it needs to be. Make sure when something works within your account, you continue to do it. Now for the 2 most important pieces of content that you can actually be creating on Instagram. One of them is going to be the broad trends on Instagram. The easiest way to find these, scroll the Reels page and you will see the same sound or the same post type or same type of post show up multiple times. That is something that is trending broadly on Instagram and you need to hop on those. Now, of course, some of them aren't gonna fit your personality. They're not gonna fit your niche. They're not meant to fit your niche, actually. These are just broad things that you hop on that will expand the amount of people that are interested in you. And these can really help you grow or help you grow a stagnating account. For a lot of you guys, you're way too stuck in the weeds of your actual niche or what you think you should be posting. And sometimes you need to just get out of that, do something fun, do something creative, and that can spark some creativity that you then take into your niche specific stuff, which is the next thing we're gonna get into. In order to find the niche specific trends, you need to do a few things differently. 1, you need to follow everybody that you find in your niche on Instagram. 2, you need to engage with their content. What do I mean by this? Watch the video all the way through to the end, like their video, maybe even leave a comment on their video. And this is going to change your Reels feed so that you start to see things that are trending within your niche. Now, what do you do with this stuff? 1, you repost those videos. 2, you recreate those videos. So many people think that you have to be incredibly original on social media. It is not the case. The top YouTubers all copy each other. Top Instagram people all copy each other. Top TikTok people all copy each other because at the end of the day, you're not copying somebody else. You're hopping on a trend. I don't know why people feel like they're copying somebody or they're not being original. Facebook was not the first social media platform. The iPhone was not the first smartphone. And the Mac was not the first laptop. So why do you guys think that you need to do something super original? You need to do something that already clearly works and do a better job of it. Make the hook a little better, bring more personality to it, bring more emotion to it, or just give your unique perspective. And that is what's actually gonna make you successful on social media. Stop trying to recreate the wheel, take something that's clearly already working and do your twist on it. In fact, once you begin doing this, it's gonna skyrocket both the amount of followers and the amount of views that you're getting on Instagram right now. All of that being said, if you want guaranteed growth on Instagram in 2022 or just in the next 30 days, you need to get into my mentorship program where I guarantee that I can help you grow on Instagram. In fact, I'm gonna tell you what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you grow in the next 30 days. If you don't grow, I'm gonna give you your money back, 0 questions asked. Now, there are limited spots for this because there are so many people that wanna get into it, but I can only work with so many creators. So if you're interested, go to the link in the description. This is the same exact course that Tuvok12 took to gain over 100,000 followers on Instagram. Av Moves took to gain over 1 million followers on Instagram, the Joel Magician took to gain over 500,000 followers on Instagram, and so many other creators. I'm telling you guys, the organic reach on Instagram is not going to last forever. If you want to take advantage of this, you want brands to pay you for your posts, you want to know what you should be posting, what hashtags to use, what time you should be posting, and again, guaranteed growth on Instagram. Nobody has ever offered this before. Nobody's ever going to be able to offer this, but I can offer this to you right now if you get into this very limited program. So please, if you're interested, sign up at the link in the description. If not, I strongly suggest you check out the next 2 videos I'm going to put up on the screen because they're the videos that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.